Do your knees make strange creaking sounds when climbing stairs? This phenomenon is often observed, especially after one's 20s. Our joints need to be kept moist because the bones around them are so close to each other. The fluid that keeps our knees moist contains dissolved gases like carbon dioxide. When engaging in activities that create high pressure, these gas bubbles can burst, creating the sounds you hear. This is a normal occurrence and doesn't imply any harm. However, if you experience pain or discomfort at the same time, it's advisable to consult a doctor.